nothing better than watching you smile. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. In your eyes lie the secrets I don't wanna miss. Put your hand in my hand and make a fist. Grab my shirt, curl your lip as if you know. Staring back in my eyes saying please don't go. I don't know what I know, what I know, what I know what it is.
I'm Matthew Brown with my Plumber, Heating&Cooling. We're here today to support all the ladies in the world who've either lost somebody or have gone through the experience of breast cancer. And we're gonna make sure.
My name's John with My Plumber. We're proud to support breast cancer.
Hello, my name is David Surratt. I'm with My Plumber, Heating&Cooling, the company of choice. And this is a great day where we are helping to celebrate and be a part.
We're turning up the heat on breast cancer.
Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. And I can't take away the pain. If I don't know you're hurting me, can't leave you on your own. If I know you're crying all alone, and my heart's pumping black and blues. That's how I feel when I'm not with you. A million years pass every day. Wasting the time, I'm always on my way. I don't know what I know, what I know, what I know what to do. I hope you understand when I'm gone.
Welcome to My Plumber. We are supporting breast cancer awareness. I am very privileged to work for a company that will support a cause like this. I'm fighting the battle, so we're very blessed to be working for a company that will support such a great cause. Save the tatas.
Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. Let us have this moment of truth. Let us have this moment, our youth. Let us have this moment of truth. Let us have this moment, our youth.